Hey, and welcome to Drone Business Insiders. So excited for you to be here with us today. My name is Eno Umo, and we created this group specifically for drone entrepreneurs to really have the resources, the tools, and the network necessary to push your drone business forward. So, before you dive in, I wanted to just give you a quick walkthrough of the platform so you know where everything is and how to take full advantage of the tools and resources we have here. So first on the side, you're going to see some groups that you're in. And basically, we have two groups right now. We have the normal Drone Business Insiders group, and this is the subscription, the $20 a month subscription. And then we also have DBM Online Community. This is our Drone Business Masterminds. This is our coaching program. So this is where our members, our participants who are getting our coaching services, they are in this specific chat. So basically, you will have access to the chats depending on which group that you're in. A lot of you will be in both since you are doing like the coaching as well. But if you just are on the insiders subscription plan, then you would have access to these chats right here. So under the resources tab, we have this welcome page, which will have this exact video. You can click down here for this is a quick kind of 15-minute training on how to close more clients for your drone business. We have a Google Drive, which is going to take you to another tab outside of the platform, but this is our Google Drive here. I'm going to do a separate video on all of the documents that are here, but this is literally a treasure trove of guides and how to's, different resources that you can use to boost productivity, your marketing and sales efforts. So definitely go make sure that you take a look through this Google Drive and look out for a video where I actually go in detail of everything that's here. Still under the resources, we have video. So we're going to be adding more like video trainings here. This is a training that I previously did on, how to start a drone consultancy. It's about a 90-minute video. There's some timestamps here. So definitely go ahead and watch that. And we'll be adding more videos. And then, of course, you can get access to our blog, which has different articles for you to look at as well. One of the other main features is the feed, right? So depending on which circles that you're in, you will have a feed that has all of the messages kind of in one. So just like any other social platform, you can scroll down and see what's been said in the different circles that you're in. Of course, you can go circle by circle and have different messages there as well. So um, there are two different type of circles. One is for just like posting, and the others are for having like actual chats, so you can kind of go back and forth, with that. So definitely explore. We have one for like the main channel updates, insiders chat. We have one that we're gonna test out for bids and RFPs. So we're like putting links to upcoming projects, and then also I think this would be a cool one as well. Pricing questions. So if you have any questions about an upcoming project, how to price it, you can put those questions in this feed here. So going back to the feed, we also have announcements. It also, has it up here as well. So just make sure, when you're checking in, you're seeing that anything has been announced. This is a little pop-up here. It will also tell you about our upcoming meetups. We're going to be meeting on Wednesdays. So make sure that you are checking this and put it on your calendar so that you're staying up to date. And then we're also going to have some challenges to complete as well. So speaking of challenges, this is like the next tab over. So when you go to challenges, right now it's one challenge here, and it's really just to post your first drone photo. I actually have to go and update mine, but yeah, this is a fun way to kind of just keep active in the community. We'll be doing more challenges, of course, over time, but check that and participate in the challenges. And then meetups. We'll have different meetups. Right now, the main one for insiders is going to be on Wednesday. Our drone business mastermind community, we already have calls every Thursday. So we'll be adding that here as well to keep everything in one place. Um, but in general, yeah, that's most of the platform. Go ahead and look around, explore, introduce yourself, in the feed, and also yes, make sure you check this tab in the main channel. This will actually walk you through some onboarding steps, setting up your profile, of course, watching the video, exploring the resources. So everything is here for you to, get acquainted. But most importantly, just looking forward to seeing you active on the group. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. You can also find different members here. So I'm going to be adding, this is very, very new. So I'm going to be adding more members on today. But yeah, looking forward to seeing you all here on the platform. Welcome again. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you in the group. Thanks.